How to fix login error in Zempler Bank application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem in the application, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi. After that, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues once your connection is established. However, if you're still facing any other kinds of problem while logging in, you can simply go to your settings, tap on General, and tap on iPhone Storage. Here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Zempler Bank application. Here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and tap on Offload app. Tap on Offload app again and reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any login errors. However, if some problem comes up, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again to log in into your account. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.